International datasets often break Excel. Commas, dots, apostrophes. Nothing imports correctly. NUMBERVALUE fixes all of it. When you import data from different countries, Excel doesn't know which character is the decimal separator and which is the thousand separator. So instead of numbers, you get text, and your formulas stop working. The sum obtained is much lower than the real one, because Excel treats some numbers like text. NUMBERVALUE converts text into real numbers, and you tell Excel exactly which characters represent decimals and thousands. In the first 3 rows, the comma is the decimal separator, and the dot is the thousand separator. NUMBERVALUE converts 3, 1 into the real number 3.1. We can drag the formula 2 rows down and also to the right. Note: we have 2 rows with US-style numbers. For US-style numbers, the dot is the decimal separator. NUMBERVALUE handles this instantly. This number for Argentina uses a dot for thousands and a comma for decimals. NUMBERVALUE interprets both correctly and returns 1234.56. The number for Switzerland uses apostrophes as thousand separators. NUMBERVALUE can handle that too, just specify the apostrophe as the grouping character. Once you convert all values, Excel recognizes them as real numbers. Now you can sum, average, or run any analysis. Now the sum returns the real value. International datasets often mix formats, especially when combining CSVs, web data, or statistical releases. NUMBERVALUE ensures your numbers are consistent, clean, and ready for analysis. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.